Hey everyone, welcome back to Certain Review. If you've ever wondered how to make $1,000 or more per day online with zero experience, then this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down a simple four-step process that promises exactly that, and I'll be reviewing the Affiliate Begin program that teaches you how to do it. So, if you're ready to learn how to kickstart your online earnings, stick around. So, what's this four-step process all about? The Affiliate Begin program is designed to take you from a complete newbie to earning $1,000 or more per day through affiliate marketing. Here's how it's broken down. First, we have Phase 1. Welcome to Affiliate Begin. This is your introduction to the program. You'll learn the basics of affiliate marketing and set the foundation for your success. Next, Phase 2. Set up basic affiliate structure. In this phase, you'll build the core structure of your affiliate business. No complicated tech skills needed, just follow the simple steps. Then we move on to Phase 3. Set up affiliate automation. Now you'll learn how to automate your affiliate processes so your business can start working for you 24/7. Finally, Phase 4. Warming up affiliate structure. This phase is all about optimizing your setup to ensure everything runs smoothly and efficiently. Here's what else you'll cover. Phase 5. Start traffic testing. Here, you'll start driving traffic to your offers, experimenting to see what works best. Phase 6. Start sales process. This is where the magic happens. You'll begin the process of converting your traffic into sales and start seeing real results. Phase 7. Time to scale. Once you're making sales, it's time to scale your business and increase your profits. Phase 8. Create unlimited FB ad account, agency account. You'll learn how to create multiple Facebook ad accounts or even set up an agency account to maximize your advertising reach. Phase 9. Bonus organic secrets. Get access to insider secrets for driving organic traffic to your offers without spending a dime on ads. Phase 10. Bonus AI organic mastery. Finally, you'll dive into advanced AI techniques for mastering organic traffic, boosting your reach even further. Now, let's talk about the bonuses and value. If you act today, you're getting a ton of bonuses that add even more value to the program. Unlimited access to the Affiliate Begin portal, value $497. Create your campaign to generate sales in 72 hours, value $497. Complete Facebook ads, super profits. Training system, value $997. Google Organic Mastery Method for affiliate marketing, value $497. Step-by-step intelligent ad targeting for newbies, value $297. Unlimited Affiliate Begins portal, access with all updates, value $997. YouTube Organic Method for affiliate marketing, value $497. Build affiliate website for affiliate marketing, value $497. Recommended software and tools, value $97. 24/7 365 VIP concierge service, value $297. These bonuses are packed with actionable strategies and tools that can accelerate your success. The best part, you can join with absolutely no risk. Affiliate Begin offers a 100% money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied within 60 days of your purchase, you'll get a full refund, no questions asked. That's how confident they are in the program. So, what's the bottom line? If you're serious about making money online and want a straightforward step-by-step guide, Affiliate Begin might be just what you're looking for. With a proven process, valuable bonuses, and a money-back guarantee, there's really nothing to lose. If you're interested, check out the official link in the description box below. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more reviews and tips. See you in the next video.